Hi, this is Devin Hobb with RE/MAX, and we are in Heber in the private community of Timber Lakes. The Timber Lakes community gets its name from having multiple lakes. We've got right behind this home, there's Witts Lake, and that one's private, but there's lots of wildlife that you can find and see in there. And then behind that, there is June Lake, and that one is public, and all of the rest of them are public. But that June Lake one's a big one for community gatherings. There's volleyball and barbecue there. And then down the hill, there's Clyde's Lake, and that one in the wintertime freezes over, and they turn that one into an ice skating rink. And there's lots of groomed hiking trails, which are also snowshoeing trails in the wintertime. Forest Service surrounding the community. There's Forest Service land, so there's lots of off-roading available as well, and snowmobiling. So anyway, awesome community. And I'm going to take you on a tour of this house and go into the details about it. Starting off, we have this big propane tank, and the sellers own it. They don't rent it. And so that'll pass through in the sale and save you some money every single month because you don't have to rent that tank. They filled it up 2 years ago, and there's still it's still a third full. And so that's pretty awesome. And then we'll take you over this way. Well, we have a trailer pad right here, just space to put a trailer. And then this third car garage has a very tall roll-up door. So you can fit a tall trailer through it and get into the garage with it. And this house was custom built, and a lot of detail was put into it, a lot of thought. Right here, this is the access to the septic tank. So every 15 years, roughly, you'll want to check into pumping it. That's what the sellers have said. May happen more frequent than that or not, but the leach field does go out the front and down the hill, and this is access to serve the septic tank as needed. Okay, we'll go in and check out the fun part, which is the house. We've got a Trex deck material wrapping this porch, which is very nice. And all right, so on the inside, you'll notice we have vaulted ceilings that are trimmed in wood, and has a nice open great room feel here. They did a custom railing, metal railing, which is neat. And this is a functioning wood fireplace. It is not the main source of heat, but it's a beautiful source of heat that you can use. And there is a fan that can blow the heat. It works very, very well. So you can rely on it if you'd like. But you'll notice that the home has mini splits there, and in every single bedroom, and as well in the living room downstairs. So the sellers rely on these mini splits for both the cooling and the heating, and they do a great job, and they don't cost that much to run. So their power bill averages between $80 in the summer and around $130 in the winter. And so in the winter, those are doing a good job heating it. And then again, you can also use that wood-burning fireplace. So, take you into the kitchen. We've got granite countertops, walnut cabinetry, and they are soft close, and they're dovetail drawers. So they're a lot better quality than stapled cabinets. And right here, they have the double trash can slide out, which is nice. Now that propane tank out there, it's really only fueling this stove, which is a convection stove, and then the water heater. That's it. So that's why it'll last for over 2 years, because there's not, the regular heat for the home isn't relying on that propane. You control these mini splits right here. You can just set the temperatures and they'll maintain it automatically. And this one will control that one. So over here we have the master bedroom. You can look out this window and see that there's a very beautiful view of the mountains and the nice oak trees. The yard does go up to about where you can see the hill ends. That's where the yard ends in the back. But anyway, we've got a nice barn door feature, double sinks, the walnut cabinetry and soft close again. Here's your tile shower and a separate bath. And right here we've got the bathroom itself, and then a walk-in closet. And I'll take you over to bedroom number 2. That's on the main floor, right here. And this one's got a pretty good sized closet on it. So it's a good corner closet. They enjoy some nice views both ways. This way you can see all the way to across the Heber Valley. And over here we've got a full bath on the main, and that'll serve those bedrooms. And then we've got a nice big pantry here and the laundry room on the main. So you do have all your living needs on the main floor if you don't want to do stairs too often. All right, now right here, this is the 3-car garage. And again, they did the nice custom metal railing in here, which is neat. We've got the very tall RV door. The depth of the garage is, you know, long enough for maybe a smaller RV or camping trailer. It's definitely tall enough, and you could fit a full-length truck in here if you wanted. So anyway, lots of storage and space in the garage. I'll take you downstairs now. Down here, very wide stairs. Gonna be easy to get your furniture in and out. So we got a nice size living room and blackout curtains here, and we have bedroom number 3. So this would be bedroom 3 right here. And these bedrooms are all very good size, very spacious. We've got a double wide closet right here, and they're on the magnetic, they use magnets to shut and close instead of those balls that rip out of the door. So again, you have your own mini split. Every bedroom has its own mini split. They can heat and cool individually. And here is a second full bathroom serving down here. Really great size. And this is such a neat feature. Let me show you. So they've got a nice custom barn door on their cabinet. Pretty cool. This mini split heats and cools this whole basement living area. And then here's bedroom number 4. Again, really good size, double wide closet. And there's a playroom under the stairs right here. It's got electricity and power, so that's fun. Then a little office nook or play area separate from the main living, which is nice. And this is a big storage room. So we've got lots of storage available in here, and we also have the utilities. So we just have the water heater, and that's again, all the propane's heating is that and the stove. This is a fire sprinkling system. Since we are in a little bit of a rural area, there's fire sprinklers throughout the home. And Timber Lakes does have a firehouse as well, so you're not too far away from any fire station. They have their own, but they do also have these fire sprinklers. So here's an example of the fire sprinklers that are built throughout the house right here. So that is available. Let's go out to the backyard. Okay, so we have a covered patio or a covered deck back here. The Trex material, there's a gas line that could feed directly into your barbecue right there, so that's nice. And on the sellers were telling me that when it's nighttime and things are quiet, there's a stream that runs down there and you can hear the water, which is very pretty. Back this way, you can see right here there's a little stake. This lot was recently purchased, and so they had it surveyed and staked. So right now you can clearly see where your boundaries are on your property, which is nice. So right to there. Here's their log pile for their wood burning stove. These 2 units are what provide the heat and cooling for the mini splits throughout the home. One serves the upstairs, the other does the whole downstairs. They would like to leave this playset. If you don't want it, they'll get rid of it, but it'll stay. And so they'd like it to stay at least. And So right there, there's a little pink stake right there that marks this side of the property boundary and connects up to this pink line. And then it goes up through the trees, and you can't see it, I'm sure, in this video, but there is a small wire fence, and that's where the property ends. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the area as well as the home and all the details about it. If you'd like to come and see this home in person, feel free to reach out to me or reach out to the agent you're already working with. Thanks for watching.